So YouTube, today we got this 2022 Ford F-150 Sports 4x4. Give you guys a quick little walk around. It's sitting on 20-inch weld B-lock wheels. And the calipers have been color matched. I'm gonna give you a close-up of the wheels real quick. It's on 295/45 tires. They got the side exit exhaust. So as you can see, the front bumper, the grille, and side mirrors, door handles, rear bumper were all color matched. Also, these headlights and the fog lights have been converted to LEDs. I'll try to turn them on in a bit so you guys can see that. Also, these side vents were also color matched, and it has some custom badges right there. It's sitting on a 3.5 IHC drop kit, and it also has IHC traction bars. See them right there. Coyote Boys. Got a couple other decals. Got that one right there. So I'm gonna show you guys the interior, then I'll show you guys the engine bay. This is the interior. Nothing much done in here other than a tent and this right here, the Ford Performance. So it has this middle jump seat, folds down, and it also has a sound system right there. You can see the boxes. See if I could cover the shadow. So I'm gonna pop the hood for you guys. So here under the hood, it has a stage 2 Whipple supercharger. The intake box has been ported for a little more air, and it has a Corsa Performance oil catch can. Oh, and it also has E85, an E85 blend. Pretty clean, nice and simple engine bay. So I'm gonna have him turn it on so you guys can see what it sounds like. It also has cutouts, so we're gonna get a shot of that. that's it for this video. I'm gonna leave his Instagram right here in the corner so you guys can check him out. Also check out his truck club, Coyote Boys, and Rory's house. That's his brother who did all the work on this truck. And make sure to check us out at YONKES_OXC films. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.